is a number of M41 Walker Bulldog battle tanks in need of modifications to replace the original gasoline engine with a modern diesel engine. Bernardini SCA has been working on this area of tank modifications for the past years. It has now modernized more than 350 M41 tanks for the Brazilian Army and many others for other countries. The outstanding success of the modernized Brazilian M41 battle tank using diesel engine is now widely known. The current production version is designated as the M41C. In recent years, the cost of new tanks has risen to becoming prohibitive almost for all small countries. Also, great potencies have adopted a style of extensive modernization programs for their main battle tanks. Few nations have already decided and carried out dieselization programs for their M41 fleets. Automotive improvements in these tanks proved to be highly successful. It is logical that efforts should be now directed towards the upgrading of the main armament and fire control of these tanks. It is believed and can be proven that an M41 equipped with a new diesel engine and 90mm gun can be compared to and successfully compete with modern, recently designed tanks. The M41 tank concept includes updated automotive components, 90mm gun, improved fire control, and most important, standard ammunition. The M41C modernization program includes the following: diesel engine, cooling system, fuel system, electrical system, instrument panel, suspension, fire control system, fire suppression system, communication system, additional armoring. With these changes, the performance of the M41 has been improved in the following points: fuel, diesel, fuel consumption 1 kilometer per liter, maximum range 500 kilometers, main gun 90mm, fire control system, night vision, laser rangefinder, ballistic computer. The Bernardini M41 modernization program incorporates replacement of the original gasoline engine with a modern 8-cylinder diesel engine, modifies the electrical system, the cooling system for engine and transmission, installs a completely new instrument panel, new fuel tanks, and incorporates improvements in several other systems and components in the M41 tank. The Bernardini kit includes all components, parts, and accessories for complete modification and installation, which can be done with local labor in any well-equipped shop. Dieselization for M41 tank. Increased range, logistics commonality, reliability, spare parts availability. Decreased fuel consumption, fire hazard, maintenance, performance, smoke generation, less power degradation, better in all environments. The new engine consumes approximately 1 liter of diesel fuel per kilometer, which represents a considerable advantage. Larger fuel tanks, plus the low fuel consumption, increase the range of action to 500 kilometers on roads. Diesel engine assures more safety during starting operation. An efficient cooling system ensures good performance of the vehicle from below freezing to temperatures over 50 degrees centigrade. 2 newly designed stainless steel tanks hold a total of 550 liters. Fuel tanks may be replaced without need to remove power pack. A new fuel filter system inside the turret permits constant inspection. Batteries, 4 of 12 volts each, total 284 amperes hour. 3 alternators generating a total 165 amperes provide greater certainty against failure and eliminates the need for an auxiliary generator. A completely new electrical wiring for chassis is included. The suspension is improved to receive new systems to guarantee good performance in any terrain. A new instrument panel provides better control to the driver. The purpose of modernization is to upgrade the M41 tank so as to make it a highly sophisticated war machine. The upgraded tank's performance in all aspects should be comparable to a new tank. Some attempts have been made in the last few years to improve the firepower of the M41, but none of the proposals advanced gained acceptance by potential customers. Since the gun is the one most important piece of equipment installed in the M41C, no compromise as to its effectiveness can be tolerated. We also benefit in the area of standard supply, parts and ammunition, as well as being assured that even future development of ammunition will easily be used by our tank. The changes in the tank weapon are the following: 90mm cannon, thermal sleeve, turret improvements, new ammunition stowage. For the past years, the Brazilian Army and Bernardini have been working on joint development of a new and different 76mm to 90mm cannon, one that can utilize the much more effective fléchette-type armor-piercing shells. This development program has now been completed, and the new 90mm gun has been test-fired with complete success. Ammunition of various types may be fired with the new Bernardini 90mm cannon. Of particular interest is the performance of the APF SDS, which offers truly remarkable advantages in anti-tank combat. This long, finned, subcaliber projectile has a dense alloy penetrator, which will perforate the NATO heavy tank triple target at short range and the NATO medium tank triple target at up to 1,600 meters range. Velocity and accuracy of this projectile provides the M41 tank with unmatched effectiveness when compared with any other M41 in the world. The turret is now equipped with 4 smoke grenade launching tubes each side. There is a panel in the turret where a selection can be made and the firing is done electrically. There are 3 options available to modify the fire control system in the M41 tank, composed of standard items with the advantages of a modular system. In every fire control option, components can be added with no changes to the basic system, enabling the improvement of accuracy in stages. Option A, Gunner's Day-Night Paritelescope. Commander's Day-Night Paritelescope, optional. Driver's Night Viewer, optional. Option B, Gunner's Control Unit including Ballistic Computer, BC. Commander's Control Unit,